to Login page and fill the credentials to log in as admin. Create new connection from Connection tab. There are multiple drivers available in the list. You can use Power Modbus or Modbus TCP connection for the Modbus TCP Communication. We recommend to use Power Modbus driver. Choose driver and name it. Switch the status to active and create. Now we will simulate a dummy Modbus device on same system. We are using Modbus View TCP for demonstration. We are configuring simulator as slave device with ID 1. Now go to Devices and add a new device on created connection. Fill the name of device, name the device type, and set the ID 1, Create Device. Now go to the poll/tag area. Here you will add new poll, name the poll, fill the start register address and the quantity, select register type and fill the polling time, and create the poll. Now go to the add tag area. Here you can add tags on the polled data. Name the tag, select data type, select or make new parameter. Set the position of the tag in the polled data and create the tag. As you can see, data is not communicated. Let's check with the connection settings. The IP address is wrong. Let's correct it and save. Now the tag is communicating properly. Similarly, you can create multiple tags by adjusting the position of the tag. Thank you for watching. Let's connect in another video to understand more about FDM.